Welcome to the future of immersive brand engagement. Our large-screen motion-sensing games are designed for exhibitions, events, and shopping malls, captivating audiences and transforming any wall into a stage of interaction. Effortlessly integrate branded elements, logos, billboards, gift rewards into the gameplay, all fully customizable to fit your campaign, with minimal cost. From classic motion games like Jump, Parkour, Object Catching, and Wall Rush, every game supports custom branding, turning UI into a visual brand story. Dive into creative experiences, from submarine adventures to interactive motion particles, designed to inspire awe and create emotional brand moments. Step into the world of mixed reality. Become an AR Iron Man, / digital fruit, or wield an interactive lightsaber. Immersive fun that turns viewers into participants. Our proprietary development platform enables real-time scene editing and logic control, showcasing our professional in-house engineering team. Customize the UI, adjust game logic, and tailor every element to fit your brand. Whether it's scenes, gifts, or rewards, flexible for any location, Kinect Games adapt seamlessly to pop-ups, exhibitions, retail spaces, and more. Game Kinect Move, play, engage. Customize your next campaign today.